When you get to the point to where you don't want to smile, you don't want anybody to look directly at you, or when you are talking to someone, you do this because you don't want them to see your teeth. And finally, the last tooth up front crumbled out, fell out, and that was it right then. My wife's quite a researcher, and we started researching all the doctors down here. And we searched and searched, and she found Dr. Pivetz. He's quite a doctor, believe me. Set up a consultation, no problem getting an appointment. It was easy. To come here and deal with Matt, deal with Chelsea, deal with the doctor, you couldn't ask for more. When you come down here for an appointment, and you make an appointment, and your appointment's at 2 o'clock, I'll guarantee you at 2 o'clock you're in the chair. This office also offers a pamphlet when you first come in for consultation. I have probably read that pamphlet 6, 8 times front to back. Everything it says in there is exactly the way it's done here. It's not a problem to do it. It's not painful. So don't be afraid of the dentist. Bypass that. The doctor takes good care of you. When you walk out the door, you're good to go. It's a journey. My neighbor across the street, who I'm very close with, he's almost like a brother, he said to my wife, he said, you know, I've noticed a real change in Don since he's gotten this done. That's because you feel so much better about yourself. It's a life changer. I kid you not, it is a life changer. Only regret I have, I wish I'd have done it 10 years ago. I'd recommend anyone.